Today I'm going to show you how to boost your hand function using everyday objects I found in my junk drawer, coins. These exercises are meant for people in the final stage of recovery, so whether you have had a stroke, have another neurological condition, or are recovering from surgery, these exercises are meant for you. The best thing about using everyday objects for hand exercises is that it makes therapy possible anywhere you go, like at home, in a car, or waiting at a doctor's office. Before we get started, don't forget to click the like button, share the video, or leave us some comments. And if you don't want to miss any of the videos that we're releasing, please click the subscription button or the logo at any time. Let's get started. Another common object that people have around the house are a bunch of coins that are usually in a jar or a tin or a drawer. So, with these, you can do a few exercises. You can do what we call translation, moving the object into your hand and then moving it back out. This allows you to remove objects from your hand, place them wherever you want. You can do 1, 2, 3, move them back out, move them in. You do this way as well, lay them down, go 1, put it up in your hand, hold it, 2, put it up in your hand and hold it, 3, put it up in your hand and hold it, and then one at a time, take it out of your hand. Another thing you can do is rotate a coin. So you could just spin it in one finger and spin it the other direction. Or you can try to spin it across all your fingers. One last thing you can do with the coins is make the coin go all the way to the tip of your finger and then back down to your palm, working each finger. Thanks for joining me in learning how to use everyday items to boost your hand recovery with the exercises that I just showed you. If you like this video, don't forget to click the like button, leave us comments, or share the video with your family and friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you don't want to miss any of the videos that we're releasing. We hope that you are well on your way to recovery, and we're going to keep making resources to help you on your journey. Because with Saebo, there is no plateau in sight.